everyone, welcome back to RTS and welcome back to another 15-minute mixer. Yes, time to get busy doing something, anything, right, wrong, or indifferent. Yes, absolutely, time to get something accomplished. So, before I start talking, let's get the timer out, and I will have an online stopwatch down, link below. You can put this on your iPad. It's a quick way to get some things done. Okay, so we're started. Okay, so stop yapping. What do I need to organize? I have my October afternoon. I don't need to just put these away. I need to organize my actual grouping of this because I've just been in and out of them. I have them in a mix, a big mix-up, and then I have some wood grain papers that I need to absolutely get organized and put away, and I'll address them later. Right now, I got to do this because it's just, I notice when I want to get a certain one of these October afternoon, I'm running into problems. So I thought during this mixer that I would bring out my entire October afternoon. Yes, one of my favorite supplies. And so this is my chunk. Yes, right there is my chunk of October afternoon stickers, and I do not divvy these up. I treasure these. These are just, yes, because you can't buy them anymore. No. And so I thought we would talk about some supplies during this 15-minute mixer. What we like, what we don't like, what we need to buy, what we not need to buy, what we can't stop buying, that type of thing. Okay, so what I'm going to simply do here is I am just going to put these by collection because that is how I use my October afternoon stickers, as by collection. Okay, and so yes, you could not pay me any amount of money for this stack of October afternoon. And if you have these, you know what I'm talking about because you can't get them anymore. No, and they were such great quality, beautiful icons, beautiful colors. Yes, but October afternoon just couldn't get their crap together. No, they just could not get it together and stay in business. But you know, just because you like the hobby doesn't mean you should run a business, right? Okay, can I get an amen? Okay, moving on. Okay, so my first question is your favorite, what do I have? What is your favorite supply in your actual space? Okay, whatever that would be. Okay, and you can be, would it be a tool or would it be an actual, is it a certain collection, a certain company, that type of thing? What's your favorite supply? Okay, just your overall favorite supply. Of course, you know, it's probably hard for me to do this and talk because I get so sidetracked with these lovely things because then I think of stories. Especially this Saturday morning line by October afternoon. I remember when it came out, everybody said that they had stories. It reminded them of stories of when they were growing up, about childhood and watching cartoons and what you had for breakfast, and I still, that is on my to-do list. Yes. Okay, so favorite supply. Do you have, are you a tool gal, or you're a paper gal, or you're an embellishment gal, or you're a gadget gal? What is your supply? And what did I have for me? Well, of course, you know, breads. Breads. Oh, yes. Okay, I just bought something I need for a layout. Okay. Yes, breads and breads. I have a lot of breads. But, of course, I'm going to say, even though I love my breads, I would have to say I'm a paper gal. That is my favorite thing. If I had to give up something, and I could only ever pick one, it would be paper, as much as I love my breads. But, yeah, I would have to pick paper because there's so many things you can do with paper. Heck, you could probably even make a bread out of paper if you needed to, you know? So, yes, I would have to say I'm a paper gal through and through. I can never, ever say to myself that I would ever stop buying paper just because I couldn't. No, it's... And I was just watching a video by OhDonna, and I will have it listed below because, man, did she score mega at Tuesday morning, because when she said paper pads, I was like, oh, yeah. So I had to stick around and watch what she was getting, what she had picked up. Oh, man. So if you have a Tuesday morning and you're not on a spending freeze and you like paper, definitely, and I'll have Donna's video linked below, watch what she found because it's pretty dang amazing. Yes, because especially if you're used to buying papers at 99 cents a sheet and you can get them paper pads for $7. Yes, sign me up. Okay, so now I'm just putting these in order by collection, because that's how I pull them, and that's how I enjoy looking at them. And yes, there will be times I pull these out and I just simply look at them. Absolutely. I've only had one set that was hard to pull off the sheet. I don't know what that was about. Okay, so my next question. Boy, that was just one question. Sorry. Okay, what's your favorite embellishment? Your favorite embellishment, just embellishment. Where are these going? Sugar Shack, Sugar Shack. I think these go with Midway, don't they? I think. Okay. Okay, so of course I said breads, but bread packs are basically don't exist anymore, because now they put enamel dots, they put chipboard pieces. So an actual bread pack, they don't really do them anymore. So, you know, for me, I wrote down Kaiser Craft die cuts. That is my favorite embellishment. Of course, anything floral, yes. And so, Kaiser Craft does a lot of floral, so that's probably why I like that. Travel Girl, yes. Love these, love these. And these were very affordable when October Afternoon used to do them. Very, very affordable. Okay, now see, there are some Christmas ones. I do not have them in my Christmas supplies. They are in my October Afternoon, because that's how I do it. Yes, okay, these 5 and 9. Okay, I'm getting sidetracked. Okay, so what's your favorite embellishment? Okay, and what are we down to? Oh, we got time, 9 minutes. Okay, so what should you stop buying? What supply should you stop buying? And I will tell you, when I went into my spending freeze, I went into it gradually, because I knew that things were starting to get, you know, I'm starting to get a buildup of thing. I was starting to get an excess of things. And so for the first thing for me that I stopped saying, okay, you need to stop buying, was 6x6 pads. Okay, not that I totally stopped, but I really slowed the roll. But that was the first thing I had to say. Yeah, you need to stop buying 6x6 paper pads. And then of course thickers, but I still have a hard time saying no to thickers, especially when you can find them a Tuesday morning. Now luckily I don't have a Tuesday morning where I live. I don't have anything where I live, but I digress. And so I only get to those when we travel. So this year I was still allowed to get some, because that was part of my spending freeze. But basically I needed to stop buying everything, and that's why I'm in the spending freeze. But that's another whole video. Okay, so what supply do you need to buy? Like, what have you really noticed this past year that you are lacking? And for me, it was surprising that for me, it's not an actual supply, it's an actual color. And for me, it's anything in forest green, whether it be ribbon or papers or stickers or anything in the forest green. And I don't know if that's because manufacturers are adding that to some of their collections, but I don't have a lot of that. When I was making up kits and things, I did not have a lot of forest green in my space. So that was interesting. So I made note of that. And so when I was, you know, traveling and I saw anything, I would see if I could find things in that forest green color. Yes. Thrift shop, having fun with this. Yes, yes. Look at this. Oh, I could take a photo of this and just look at it every day. Wake up and just look at my October Afternoon supply. Yes, absolutely. Okay. So now, what's the next question? Oh, what are some things that you want to buy? Not that you need to buy, but something you want to buy, okay? Is it a tool? Is it a gadget? Is it a punch? Is it something you've had your eye on? You just can't hit that buy button? Or if you're like me, you just simply shouldn't be. And I'm not allowed to be, you know? And I thought I had some of this somewhere, this nightlight. I think this was one of the first October Afternoon collections. And it's just fun stuff. Absolutely. And where do I have these stored? I simply have these stored to the right in my drawer with my inventory binder, because this is one of those supplies that I'm just in love with. Okay, now I know I had this somewhere. I'm getting sidetracked. Move on, move on. Yes. Okay. Yes, I think this was the collection here. Yes, this was the one. Ducks in a Row. Was it this one? There was some of these that was really hard to pull off. Maybe it wasn't this one, but it was one of these collections that was hard to get off the sticker sheet. Okay, so what do you need to buy? For me, I have what I want to buy. Not I need, what I want. I want to buy some more trimmings that have the velvet finish. I noticed I really enjoyed playing with that this year. And then also to something that's on my wish list is the Allison Davis, I think it's called Right to Remember, that book. Yes, it is on my wish list. Okay. Boy, there's some more of those sarsaparilla. Didn't even know I had that. I think that's buried somewhere down here. Yeah. Now, when I organize these by collection, and this is when I do some deep organizing, what will I do after this? They will be in alphabetized order by collection. Like all my S's, Saturday morning sarsaparilla, that will be before the treasure map. And I will absolutely do them in alphabetic order by the name of the collection, because that's how my brain will tell me to go for these, okay? Yes, and look at this Rocket Age. Love that. This is so fun to do for Disney pages. Yes. And so, yes, what do you want to buy? And are you going to? Okay. For me, no, I can't. Nope. Because I have another spending freeze coming up in 2019. Of course, that's another video. So, no, I won't. But they're on my wish list, and they're going to stay on my wish list. Yes. But, yes, velvet trimmed ribbon. And anything else? Oh, I don't know if there's anything else. There's nothing else I need. No. I don't need a darn thing. But I'm always wanting something. Yes. Oh, here it is. This was the one. This sidewalks. Really, really hard to get off. I think it was just a bad batch of stickers. Okay. And that happens sometimes. Okay. Now, I know I had some of this fly kite somewhere. Okay. So then my last question is, and what time are we down to? 4 minutes. Okay. The last question I have is, what is one of your Cherish supply? Like I just said about my October afternoon. What is something you have in your space that you treasure, you would never give up for any amount of money? It's just something you look at it and you're giddy, you're excited, you're happy. And it's just something that you have enjoyed buying, you enjoy using, and you are absolutely tickled that you have it. And so I wrote down a few things because I was surprised. Of course, my October afternoon, these sticker sheets, because you can no longer buy them. But this was, you know, several years in the making. This just didn't happen overnight. And then also, too, my breads. I would not give them up anything. And then there's a few Martha Stewart punches that I have that I wouldn't give up. And then I have a couple Maggie Holmes, an embossing folder, a Maggie Holmes die set I wouldn't give up. And I showed that in my inventory binder, some of my favorites. And then also, too, my wood grain papers, which I didn't even get to that pile. Maybe that'll be another mixer. Who knows? I notice that when I do these mixers, I get motivated to get it done instead of sit here and say, oh, yeah, you know, it just motivates me to get them done. So that is what I would have to say, a Cherish supply. Yes, definitely these sheets, my breads, my wood grain papers. Oh, and my ledger papers. I really enjoy them too. Really, really enjoy them. And again, those are things I've just collected and bought over the years, and it was just, you know, a supply, and it's never going to get old. No, 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 absolutely. So what is yours? Answer those questions below. Absolutely. So I am simply going to start putting these in. Okay, so here we got sidewalks, we got sarsaparilla. Yes, we got Saturday morning. We got treasure map. You see, that's how I'm exactly going to do it. Okay, and then I have thrift shop. And yes, you can see I have multiples of these. Yes, especially when the scuttlebutt came around, that October afternoon was going out of business. We were always scrambling. Yes, because the mini market letters, why a company hasn't got on board and made them, they're just mini market letters, they're just little mini alphas on a nice cardboard weight. Why some other company hasn't jumped on the bandwagon and made them, beyond me. I think sometimes, I'll just be honest, some companies, they come out with product and they don't know what to come out with because they don't use it. They just sell it. And so if they would just ask their customers, what do you want? And then listen to us. But yeah, I digress. Moving on, moving on. Okay, so we got Rocket Age, MNOPQRS. Yes, anything with an R. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put these in order. Absolutely love these. Okay, yeah, I knew I had some fly kite. Yeah, fly kite. Here we go. So I hope you got something done in this 15-minute mixer. I hope you got to enjoy a little bit of my October afternoon stickers, and I wish I could see your collection of October afternoon, because I know there are some gals who have even more than me. Yes, because we love these. Yes. Oh, Cherry Hill. That was an older line. Yeah. And then we got Cakewalk. Yes. Modern Homemaker. Yes. That's going to go into the M's. Okay. boarding pass. Do I only have one boarding pass? Oh, maybe that's all I had. Oh, just love these. And I'm going to really be glad that I spent a few minutes here setting these, getting these back in the order in which I need them and how I want to access them, rather than just on a pile of October afternoon stickers. I really want these by collection because I know what these are, and I know when I go and I'm using something when it comes to, hold on a minute. There we go. When it comes to working on a page as far as mood and feel, I know which collection I want to help with that. So that's why I want to do them by collection. And I'll just keep on working here for a few more minutes. Do not stop what you're doing. Keep on going. Yes. And that's what I will do. I will just put a couple more in here. There's my F's. And there's my Midway. Okay. And there's my Farm Girl. We'll put them away. Boy, Fly Kite, I got quite a few of those. Farm Girl. And we have Ducks in a Row. And I will keep working on these and putting them away, and then that will be my 15 minutes. And so then I am absolutely, you know, you have to go do housework. Yeah, that's what I have to do. So I hope you enjoyed this 15-minute mixer. Come back to RTS, because you never know what we're going to learn. You never know what we're going to do, but it's all fun. Okay, that's all I have for today. Bye.